exploring technological anachronism as juxtaposition, a digital alchemist perspective.
Welcome to the Universal Principles podcast. Today we're diving into technological anachronism as juxtaposition. It's about combining old tech with new, but what does that really mean? Our guest today is a digital alchemist, someone who transforms obsolete tech. Welcome. How does this principle show up in your world?
Thanks for having me. In digital alchemy, technological anachronism as juxtaposition isn't just about aesthetics. It's about revealing the layers of technological progress, sparking conversations about where we've been and where we're going. On a higher level, think of it as leveraging contrast for insight. It's about creating tension between different elements to reveal hidden assumptions and understanding.
That makes sense. Could you walk us through a concrete example of this contrast for insight in action?
Absolutely. One example is interfacing a vintage teletype machine with a modern AI chatbot. The clunky, physical interaction of the teletype contrasts sharply with the fluid, almost invisible nature of AI. This highlights how our relationship with technology has evolved from tangible tools to abstract algorithms. Or, consider building a robot that uses vacuum tubes alongside microcontrollers. The vacuum tubes, a symbol of early computing, working alongside modern tech, reveals the rapid miniaturization and power of modern components.
Wow, those are striking, so it's more than just retro cool. It's about making a statement, right? So can this principle of contrast be applicable in different fields?
Definitely. Think about integration of traditional and innovative techniques in underwater basket weaving. Imagine weaving with natural fibers, but integrating submersible drones for automated harvesting. The juxtaposition highlights both the beauty of traditional craftsmanship and the potential for innovative efficiency. Even something as different as fashion design, integrating Victorian-era corsetry with contemporary sportswear fabrics plays with similar themes.
Okay, I'm sold. If someone wants to play with this idea of technological anachronism as juxtaposition, what's a good way to start?
Start small. First, find an old piece of tech that fascinates you. Second, brainstorm how it could interface with something modern. Even a purely aesthetic combination can be powerful. Finally, think about the story you want to tell with this juxtaposition. What assumptions do you want to challenge? For example, consider using punch cards for data storage in a modern cloud computing environment as a visual metaphor. What could that say about data ownership?
That's awesome. I love the idea of provoking thought through creative tech mashups. Thank you for opening our eyes to technological anachronism as juxtaposition. Any final thoughts for our listeners?
Keep experimenting. Technology is constantly evolving, and there's endless potential to find new juxtapositions that spark meaningful conversations. Think, what unexpected pairings can you create that will make people stop and think?
Wonderful. That's all the time we have for today on Universal Principles. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating principle. Until then, keep exploring.